I'm doing the Christmas edition again. This time we are going to draw a Christmas tree. Christmas tree is so fun to decorate and beautiful to look at, so I thought we should draw the Christmas tree together. I found this cute and simple Christmas illustration online, but it feels like it's missing something. So I will give a small gift box at the bottom of the tree and then turn that bow on top of the tree a little oversized to make it cuter. And just like the previous video, you can quickly turn this drawing into a Christmas card by drawing the tree on the right side of your paper and folding that in half. Now, without further ado, let's get started. I am starting with a long triangle for the crown and then a small rectangle for the trunk, and I am dividing the big triangle into 4 sections. And at the top, I'm drawing a big bow. It will match well with the gift box at the bottom, which I will draw pretty soon. Then I'm turning those straight lines into scallops, making the tree cuter. I am drawing 4 scallops at the top and then 5 scallops for the rest. All the way at the bottom, I'm drawing an oval for a shadow. And on the left side, I'm drawing a small gift box with a bow. Now I'm decorating the tree with lots of ornaments. You don't have to follow me exactly on this. You can just put big circles and small circles randomly here and there. I think the pencil sketches are almost done, so let's erase the practice lines before moving on to the permanent marker. I'm drawing all the outlines with a marker except for the ornaments because I want to draw them with a pen. So all the black outlines are done, so let's erase all the pencil sketches so that we can start coloring. I'm coloring all the ribbons on the tree and the gift box with yellow. I'm going to be using two different greens to color the tree. I'm using yellow green first to color the first and third layers of the tree, and then regular green on the second and fourth layers of the tree. For the trunk, I'm coloring it with brown. For the shadow, I'm using gray to color and no outline. For the ornaments, I will color them with red and teal. I will color the big circles and the gift box with red and the small circles with teal. To make the drawing more interesting, I will add the shadows underneath the bows and scallops using the same colors that I used to color them. Even if they are the same color, the color looks a little darker when you add one more layer. And now it's time to add some sparkles all over the tree. I'm using a yellow acrylic marker. It's pretty easy. You just need to draw a cross and then draw a tiny circle at the center. As the last step for this drawing tutorial, I'm adding some highlights to the ornament. I'm using a white pen to draw a tiny oval on top left side of the ornament. Now your Christmas tree is complete. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below if you like me to draw or make any other cute things. I will love to hear from you and get connected. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!